Okay, this is my dream multi-purpose meal. It's a vegan shakshuka and it's really delicious simmered peppers and tomato and spices. It's also perfect for big batch cooking because it's so easy to make double, triple the portions, and you can use it in so many different ways. So today we're going to do it in a brunch style on crusty toast with coconut yogurt and avocado slices, and then we're also going to do it as an easy peasy pasta sauce. So the first thing we need to do is just chop up one onion and a couple of cloves of garlic, and you just want to finely chop those. And then we're going to add those to a saucepan with a little bit of salt, pepper, olive oil, and just start to saute them. We're going to cook them until they go that nice kind of soft, translucent. And then while that's happening, we're going to chop our red peppers. My pepper felt quite small today, so I'm using 2, and I love the pepper flavour in there. Once the onion and garlic is soft, we're going to add our pepper, and then we're going to add our spices, and we're going to add a mix of coriander, cumin, paprika, and cayenne pepper, which just makes the dish so warm and lovely. So it's perfect for kind of winter, autumn brunch as well. And we're going to let that cook for a minute or 2, and then once that's cooked, we're going to add a tin of chopped tomatoes, some tomato puree just to intensify the flavour, a little bit of water as we go just to make sure that it's the right texture, and then just salt and pepper. And you're just going to simmer it for about 20 to 25 minutes. So at this point it's really thickening up, and then we're just going to let it sit and simmer, and it's going to keep thickening, and our peppers are going to soften, which is what's just going to give it that amazing texture. And while that happens, you're either going to make your pasta if you're doing this for lunch or for dinner, or you kind of cut your toast and get all your bits ready if you're going to do it for brunch. I'm going to do both today, so I can show you both options. Okay, so here are the 2 different options, but you could also serve it with rice and things like that as well, or put it in a stuffed jacket potato or stuffed sweet potato. So it's the easiest recipe, and then basically you can add it to so many different things. You don't just have to have it as a kind of shakshuka brunch option, although it's so delicious with the crusty bread, the creamy yogurt, like chunks of avo, and then it's just like the classic tomato pasta, which is my go-to comfort food, perfect on kind of like a cozy winter night. So it's on page 66 of the cookbook in the breakfast chapter. Let us know if you try it, and I will put a link to the book below.